اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين.
The team arrived in Turkey a few hours ago. We should be in position shortly.
وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
Airfield's just up ahead. Let's go find this shithead.
Priority is to ID a Rosh before things go hot. Mason, check it out. Any sign of a rush? That's not him. Nope.
Incoming truck. Left side.
Get eyes on it, Mason. A rush might be in the truck.
Again, they got his face yet. I don't want him. Fuck. He just diced everyone in the truck. That's gotta be a rush.
Hold fire. We need a positive ID. That's our man.
about the hostages. His plan is already underway. You won't be able to stop him this time. Stop who? Perseus.
Bullshit. Perseus is dead.
Dead? All this time and you didn't even know. Perseus will watch the West Bank.
Hudson will want to hear about this. Let's sweep the tarmac for survivors and get to Langley.
Who the fuck is Perseus?
Welcome to another day in the life of Camp Haskins, our little oasis in the middle of this godforsaken shitstorm. You're pretty safe here. Hey, Butcher, how's the arm?
Still hurts like hell, but at least I can move it.
Hey, Sims, you know reading that shit's gonna make you go blind.
Yup. That's why I want it all up here.
Well, you're with Sims. You usually bring out the best in each other. We got a new assignment. FOB4 Ripcord is holding a vital asset Charlie wants real bad.
What kind of asset are we talking about?
The kind you don't ask about. Ripcord has been taking a hell of a beating. So it's our job to secure the asset and get the fuck out. Relax, we got fast flyers providing combat air support for this mission. It'll be a walk in the park.
Headsets on.
All birds, check in when ready. Badger 9-1, good to go. Badger 9-2, clear to go. Badger 9-3, rotors up. All birds, go, go, go. Crank up and pull pitch. All birds are in the air.
You all sitting comfortably?
Oh man, Adler? Why do I... get the feeling you about to give us some bad news?
Because you're a smart guy, Sims. But the news isn't bad. In fact, it could be very, very good. The asset of Ripcord is going to have to wait a little while. We're breaking off from the Armada, taking a detour.
And that's good because...
A source tipped us off that there may be a heavy hitter in town. A Soviet operative known as Perseus.
Oh, shit.
Appreciate the enthusiasm, Sims. If our source is right, we could be looking at an intel gold mine.
First time Perseus pinged our radar.
Approaching the village now. Yeah, roger that. Moving to establish an LZ.
RPG!
Truck 2, light him up. There, in the bell tower. Fuck yeah! Open fire in the courtyard. God damn it! More RPGs on the rooftop. Hold on, swinging around.
Don't let up, Bell.
Visual on LZ. Taking us down.
You and me, Bell. Let's do this.
Your priority is securing any intel. at a building in the center of town.
Let's go, Bell. You're on point. Moving. Switching spots.
Keep pushing forward. You're getting close.
Let's go. Get moving!
Sims, Bell, that's the building. Keep your heads down. We got this.
Reloading. Lay down.
Area clear.
Okay, get inside. See what we got.
Go, Bell. Right behind you. Reloading. Need some cover. Cover me. Get inside. Я выдвигаюсь! Need some cover!
It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. You hear that? It's on you, Bell. Open the door. Staring at two bodies that sure as hell don't look Vietnamese to me. Bell, grab that comms log. Let's see who the fuck they've been talking to. We have the intel. Let's bug out.
Good work. Hang on to that intel. We're coming in to pick you up. All right, let's go rejoin the Armada and get this fucking asset.
fire. VC are breaching the perimeter. What is your status?
We're inbound now, Ripcord. Get that asset ready for transfer.
Roger that, 901. We'll keep the asset safe as long as we can. Ripcord out. Badger 901, in the air!
VC are all over the mountains. No sense here. All targets are valid. Tear them up now! Targets ahead!
This is Ripcord. You need to push back the VC reinforcements before we're overrun. Be advised, we have multiple birds in the air. Watch your fire.
Enemies dug in all around the hillside. We don't have a hope in hell of landing if we don't take out those positions. Light them up.
Badger 901, our scouts have identified a significant enemy force approaching from the south. Time for us to intercept.
Roger that, Ripcord.
Badger 901, you are clear to land. Copy that, Ripcord. Badger 901 setting down. The base is still hot, so watch yourselves.
Roger that, Ripcord.
You Adler? Mac V Sog?
Yeah, just hurry the fuck up already.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank Bell. He's the one that's a fucking phone book full of Soviet intel. Let's go. Now.
Godspeed, Commander.
A fucking nuke? Are you fucking kidding me, Adler?
It's a failsafe. That's all you need to know.
We that desperate already.
Not yet.
Somehow Perseus knew